Craig Harrison, TNS manager, 1 point in 3 games. You must be very disappointed.
Yeah, I think very, very disappointed. You know, you know, I don't think you can describe it as just being disappointed. It's a lot more than that. So, but you know, it's one of them things where we weren't good enough today. You know, and I wouldn't have said that last week when we got beat off Connah's Quay. I thought we got undone by 2 set pieces. I thought we played well at Bala. So, you know, for me, it's one disappointing performance.
TNS were handed a lifeline just before the half-time whistle. Unfortunately, not able to build on that in the second period.
Yeah, now we were done today, you know, by 2 counter-attacks. You know, be fair, the lad's second goal is a great goal. He smashed in from 25 yards out. In the first goal, we've just been caught a little bit, you know. I think probably the 2 goals typify our performance today. I think, you know, in no way, shape or form it was good enough, but no one wants to perform like that. Certainly as a manager and as coaches, we don't want players to perform. And certainly knowing the group of players we've got, they don't want to perform like that. No one goes out there and to perform poorly. It's just been, we've had a bad day today and we've just got to accept it, accept all the criticism that comes our way and be men enough to take it on our chin and on our shoulders and get on with it and make sure that on Monday morning everyone comes in with not just, right, we're coming in to train, we're coming in to put a few wrongs right and that enthusiasm, which we've got a great set of players. The important thing is we've got honest players and we've got very good players, and I'm sure, I'm 100% sure that the setback we've had today, you know, in last week is a minor blip in the bigger picture of things.
But as far as the big picture is concerned, TNS is still in the driving seat.
Yeah.
Dafabet Welsh Premier League, 3 games to go,
Yeah.
5 points clear.
Yeah, you know, we're talking on, we're talking with the coaches and we're all gutted in there, and it is a real somber and negative vibe at this moment in time, but you still look at the clear picture, and the facts are that we're 5 points ahead with 3 games to go. We need to beat Bala and then we've won the league. So we'd accept that. Yeah, we should have probably had it sewn up by now, and there's been games over the season where we should have done better, but no one can do anything about things that have happened in the past. We've just got to accept that, move on, get on with it, you know what's, you know, what we've done wrong, and don't dwell on it too much, but then don't be blasé about it and think we can just sort of paper over the cracks. People have been told, people need to be told, we need to be honest with each other, and we need to sort of think about it. What I don't want is I'd like, and I think that all our players and staff will be going away tonight thinking about this, and it'll have a big effect on them over the weekend, which the honest, I know it will do, and it'll have a big effect on me and my coaching staff, and our players are honest enough to go away from this and know that wasn't good enough, so that, you know, they don't need any more criticism from me, because at the end of the day they've been fantastic to get where we are. Let's not forget that we've won a League Cup, we're in the semi-final of the Welsh Cup. We're 5 points clear with 3 games to go. If someone had said to me at the start of the season, this will be your position with 3 games left, then I'm sure everyone at the club would have, you know, would have bit anybody's hand off for that position. So we've not got to be over dramatic, but we've got to make sure that it hurts, and it does hurt.
And away from league action next week, it is the JD Welsh Cup that you've just mentioned.
Yep.
Gap Connah's Quay.
Yep.
They've inflicted 2 defeats on TNS already this season. You won't need reminding of that, of course. Another tough game ahead.
Yeah, without a doubt. You know, we've got 2 or 3 tough games coming up. You know, we've got 4 tough games coming up, obviously. You know, and the next one's the most important one, to get we're hopefully into the final of the Welsh Cup. It's a cup we've won 2 years in a row, possibly 3, is it? I'm not too sure, but it's something that we won't be letting that game get away from us. You know, as a manager, as a coaching staff, as players, the one thing that will be happening next week will be a reaction. It'll be a big reaction.
Craig Harrison, thank you for your time this evening.
No problem, thank you.